Okay, driving school on Dean Street, Brooklyn, New York. Which one of the? No, let's go to the left. We're none of the area that which one of the area that we cover here. We're on Dean Street, Brooklyn, New York. We're gonna do a few lefts and right. Then we're gonna show you how that lined up. We got students here all over the Brooklyn area. We got the student is a few blocks away. So let's shoot a video here, driving to the student house. At this channel here, we do everything driving. If you are living in the New York area, you want Pierre Paul Driving School to help you, please feel free to check our website, pierrepaul.driving.com. We can definitely help you with everything. Everything we show in here, you can use them anywhere you're driving in the US, anywhere you're driving in general, because driving is driving, nothing changes it. Whether you're driving here, you're driving there, is all driving. The state that you live in might have certain criteria that they abide, but it doesn't mean it changed the way that you're making left turn, right turn, and driving, right? With that said, let's move on here. We're gonna do a few left and right lesson. Okay, we're gonna do a few left and right lesson observation. Okay, and from there we see where we go from here. Okay, I'm seeing a speed bump coming up. Forward planning all your moves. As you're driving, you're forward planning all your moves, because failure to do so gonna lead to something that we do not want. We're not looking for trouble, however, that doesn't mean trouble will not be coming our way. So the more we prepare ourselves, the better we are when those things coming along. I'm flying lane, I'm driving along, I'm already seen that. I got the bike lane to my left side, that is not being shared. That's when I have to be aware of the bike that may coming up, and not for me not to drive onto the bike lane if I don't have to. Let me say it slow. Not to drive onto the bike lane if I don't have to. You've always want to keep the bike lane clear of driving, because that will be problem. For the road test, however, if you're driving onto the bike lane intentionally, they will fail you the test, unless there's a reason to. Let's say a car double park in front of you, have to go on it right quick and come back, then that's okay. If not, then they will fail you the test. We cannot drive into the bike lane. Anyway, you see the bike lane dotted, they give us the go so where we can go in and bite on it for a little bit. As the traffic ahead is already red, I'm slowing down. When I get up there, it's completely red. When I get up there, it's completely red. You forward plannings all your moves. Okay, right over here, we're completely nice and smooth. We stop where we can see the tire of the car in front of us. This car behind me, so much I'm checking behind, always checking your surrounding. The car behind me, that was the guy's on his cell phone, and this car was still rolling up. I move up a little bit to get the attention. You know what I'm saying? If need be, I would have keep all the way moving up or move to your right, because you've always gonna be looking when you hit your brake, look inside the mirror to see how the people behind you is reacting, because you'll be in shock what people behind you will do. Okay, so paying good attention here. Moving along. Anything in particular, folks, put in the comment below. Traffic is moving clear. We're doing good. Light ahead is good. You see how far I'm already blinking? The light began to blink. Is in my favor, because I was already halfway through the block. If not, I would start falling back here. So when I get at the light, it would have been completely red. Those are road test tips. You're not washing the light while you're doing road test, because the examiner will not let you slide with a yellow light, because for the purpose of the road test, yellow lights mean red, because the meaning of a yellow light is what? Slow down and get ready to stop. Let me ask you guys a question. What is the meaning of a red steady flashing light? What is the meaning? How do you approach a red steady flashing lights? Okay, because is of the light definition, there's a way to approach them, especially when you learning to drive, because at the road test, the DMV examiner are looking onto those things to make sure that they mark you accordingly. That we do not need. All this can be avoided by doing what? Educating ourselves and do what we have to do. It is not difficult. It's us by not doing the thing we're supposed to do may make it difficult. If we do what we're supposed to do, road test will be nice and easy, because it's only a series of steps that we have to do. All right? Okay. So far, traffic is moving good. It's early morning here on a Sunday. Not that bad at all. Okay. If you guys notice, whenever I'm completely engaging, I take a quick verification left and right. Okay, I see humans on my right side. I'm gonna keep going here. Okay, they start moving around. Singing my mirror, show the right, going slow, coming in slow. Okay, and I'm coming in back. You see what I do? cover the brake to lessen the speed, and you roll up slow. All right. At the light, let's make a left turn here. We're gonna pull over to the left here, mirror left, shoulder left, and bring it over nice and smooth. The steering wheel is right on the left side here. Nice and smooth. I'm coming in here, put the car into parking. My student live here on this left side here, so I've always ended this video here. Yes, folks, this lesson here was on Dean Street, Brooklyn, New York, one of the areas that we cover here. Remember that it is not about driving, it's how they want you and I to drive to pass the test. The minute we understand that, it changes everything. Oftentimes, people try to do things that there is not needed while they're doing the road test. That's what preventing them from passing the road test on the first try. Some of them too, they do not know. Myself, I took my road test 3 times before I finally passed. Did not understand that there is certain things that they're looking in particular for me to do while I was doing the road test. Then I got and get a few lessons from the driving school. Now I was able to pass my road test on the 3rd try. All right. Our experience don't have to be the same. You may pass yours on the first time. Good. That's what we're looking for. That's why we're putting out these videos so they can help people that you and I that already know how to drive and go to test and do whatever we want, thinking that we can pass. And also that people that are beginners, we should train them the right way so they can definitely know things they're of to do. All right. Anything in particular you guys want us to cover, we'll be more than happy to do so. Any question that you have, we have an early morning lesson that comes every day, that answering question that you guys want us to answer. And also, we posted on this channel here 3 times a week, every Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. That's when all of our videos are coming on. If you have not subscribed to the channel, do so. And also hit the notification squad. Each time we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Until then, keep practicing. This has been here with Pierre Driving School. Take care now. Bye-bye.